All right, let's bring it back. All right, so
some people had 18 on there.
Did you get 18 as well?
Oh,
If you got 18,
you had
raise your
18?
hand. You got 18, raise your hand.
So help him identify his problem.
You got 18, raise your hand. Okay, Yo Bunny, what did you get? Okay, so we have an 18, we have a 17. What you guys get?
You're dividing the wrong stuff.
Okay.
Look at her division.
So did y'all
Look at your
round it up,
division.
what you're saying?
What's different?
No?
What is he doing different that made him be wrong?
8.8. Okay, so let's work it out. So 24 times 12 is what?
28.
So 288 divided by 16.
What does she divide
So
by?
how many times is 16 equal to 28?
That is correct.
Oh.
Okay. Divide by the third one that you didn't use. You multiply these two already? Divide by this.
I'm saying.
So the 16 times 7, what's that? What's 6 times 7? 7 times 1 plus 4. Okay, so let's 6 times 8 is what? 48. 8 times 1 plus 4. So which one is it? 18. So you guess so where? I go. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. Let's move on to the next section here. Corresponding sides of what? Corresponding sides of what? Proportional. Corresponding sides of what? Proportional. Corresponding angles. Congruent. There we go. And congruent means what? Equal. Equal. Okay. All right. So let's look at shadow triangles. So remember when I showed you the video of the what?
Garden.
The garden. Yes. What was that? What do we call that? Starts with the I. Huh? Something measurement. Indirect measurement. I'm impressed you remember that about the garden. Okay. All right. So now we have a building here. That's how tall. How tall is the building? 30. Okay. And the shadow is what? 15. Okay. We have a tree. Do we know how tall a tree is? No. How are we going to figure out how tall the tree is? All right. So set it up for me. Which side corresponds with 15? 3. Then which side corresponds with 30? 30. Set it up for me. Set it up.
Okay, guys. Over here, either we could do X or 3 or
Wasn't it be 3 over 15?
So there was something you did to do this. What are you thinking on here? Because there was something you did do in your head to solve that.
Is this still right?
we could do
Show me.
X.
It just says 3 times.
Okay. Put
You should have
it
been
up
able to
there.
do this in like 3
Seconds.
Is that?
Or 15. Oh. Okay, you're obviously not helping your group because he don't have any work. The reason you're sitting in groups is to help each other and teach each other, but you're not doing it. What about him? Come on, help him out. Help him set up the proportions.
Okay, who's still working?
She's gonna help you out.
Since 3 and 15 are both of the word circle.
3 and 15 should be like always compared to each other. So we did 3 over 15. And then since X and 30 are supposed to be together, but X
Are you really recording?
and 3, I'll let you guys watch yourselves tomorrow.
We're gonna play
X, 3 is 15, and then X.
What kind of rate? No, what kind of rate is it?
It was just off.
So you helped him, then take the next step to solve it. Hey, where's your proportion? Where's your proportion? Well, you need to write it down too. You can't just sit here and do nothing.
Okay, let's bring it back. All right, so why do you think I said you should have solved this in like 15 seconds?
Because it's easy.
Okay, what makes it easy?
The numbers.
What do you mean?
The smaller the number,
It was
the
easier.
faster it
It
goes.
was easier than that, and when she points it out, you're gonna feel so. Nothing. Just watch. Watch.
Nothing.
So what do you mean about the numbers? What do you mean?
Like, if the numbers are smaller, it's easier.
Oh,
Okay.
so you said you work with smaller numbers.
And they're not fractions, and they're not decimals, so
Oh,
I
okay.
guess those make.
But
Yeah,
why not
that's
say
kind
you should
of.
solve that in 6 seconds, Wesley?
Constant rate.
What do you mean constant rates? Explain that to me. Explain it to me.
I multiply 3 times 15. 5. I mean, 3 times 5 is 15. 30 divided by 5, 6.
Okay? You hear what he just said? Yeah. Okay. So now, he solved that it was at a constant rate, correct? How did I get from 15 to 3? How did I get from 15 to 3? Divided by 5. If I divide that by 5, what do I get? Now, how can I check myself? Cross what?
Cross multiply.
Alright, so I would do, if I had to set this up, I could have done 30 over 15, X over 6
Wow.
over 3, right?
10
So,
seconds.
what's 3 times 30?
That's
You always
smart.
want to
What's
look.
15
You always
times
want to look at
6?
this relationship first.
So, that's
Say,
it.
can I do it this way
Make sense?
instead? Because this is how you learn in 5th grade.
Alright, see, just at a constant
If you
rate.
can do that,
Alright,
this
so
is always
now,
going to work.
here we go.
That's why she said
The next one, next section.
because there was an easy relationship there.
Whether the triangles are similar. Okay? I want you to talk with your table, talk with your group.